What's up, everyone? I'm going to start opening again. Go through the store or direct. That's what's left. Go through the store. Brian, I know it's been so long. I know. What's up, Karen?
Carol.
Brian, where do you live these days? You still in New York, or like are you in the city? All right. If anyone bought teams in the store, take them. It's fine. All right, keep taking them. Wizards are gone. Guys, press live. Prism Fast Break 32 is going to be on the screen, yeah. Hold on a sec. What's the plan? So you're doing tomorrow day. You're doing tomorrow day, Friday day, Saturday day. Off Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything I need to add, or?
Well, we have the illusions in the store now, so.
Oh yeah, you'll do more
That's
illusions.
good.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm not going to add any more of it though. Should we do them by the?
After what we have in there, by the 4 box?
Huh?
Yes, I think so, yeah. You mean by the 4 box after what you added and what's already in there?
I'm not adding any more.
Instead of the full case?
It's too long of a break.
Yeah, I mean, but it's a lot shorter if you do it by the 4 instead of the 8.
No, I'll add it by the 4s. That's what I'm saying. I'll do that tonight.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that's the thing. When you have these 400 and 500 card case breaks, like by the 4, you're getting still so much value.
You know what?
I mean?
For some reason, I never realized. I was never.
It's 10 packs a box, 5 cards per pack, 8 boxes.
Celtics are off to Wags. Clippers are off to Donnie. All right, that's what's left. I apologize. There's more off, as there should be. Ron Crew. Ron Crew is the Hornets. Ron Crew is the Cavs. We're almost... What's up, Andre? Wait, Philly's off too. Wait, Chef. I got to put you in as the right name. All right, what's actually left in this? There's 4 left. All right. Andre from Vegas is taking the Pistons. What's up, Andrew? Anyone else want teams? All right, Andre, send for the Pistons. Who's killing it for 31.45? Who's killing it for 40? Who's killing it for 40? And we're full. Let's break. So, all right. So you're just gonna. So it's easy for you. You'll do. Actually, you know what? Vic J has a better idea. Let's do illusions by the 2. That's amazing because it's going to be so cheap.
Dirt cheap. Yeah.
It'll be so cheap and you'll fly through it. All right, Pablo asks first. Pablo, send 40.
Sure.
What do you? All right, let's break.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you think of that?
Yeah, it'll be like what we did with Mosaic Hobby. How we did it by the 1 box. Yeah, it'll just go. Yeah, I think that's good.
What's up, Wags? How are you, sir? No, like illusions by the 2. It's
good.
so it's going to be like it's going to be so cheap.
Yeah. It's going to be like 100 and change for the Bengals. It'll be amazing.
Oladipo gold, Lucas Samanich purple, Clark rookie for the Grizz, Giannis takeoff, Keldon, Culver. Schofield gold variation. Claxton. Hayes. Lowry purple. Schofield. Goga. Booker gold. Poole. Hunter, our first auto. It's not a good one. Jordan Bone Pistons. Hopefully Bone triggers a jaw auto in this. That'd be amazing. Grant Williams gold. Gafford. Siku Pistons. Stargazing of Westbrook. Kobe White rookie. I said there's going to be more Kobe White. Punisher, to be honest, you know why I break fast? See, this is my, I'm going to give you my theory of why I break fast, okay? And you guys can tell me if you like it or not. Everyone, the best thing about Blez is you have options. I know there's people that don't like certain people, so you break with other people. My theory on going fast is A, I do a recap at the end of the break, so you're able to see it at the end, but B, I'm the type of person that doesn't have a lot of patience. And it's like, well, listen, if you buy the Grizzlies and you hit a jaw base, it's like, well, I'm not going to sit there for 5 minutes and talk about it because you're not really that happy to hit a jaw base. I mean, and you know, so like, trust me, you know, the way I break the way that I'd want to. I break the way that people would want me to. Like if I was buying into a break, I'd break it the way I want to, you know, to break it. That's just what it is. I just want to be fast and efficient. I know I'm not the best technical breaker, but hey, I want to get through it fast. That's it. Listen, I'm casing as I go. We'll do the recap. Everyone will see the cards. Porter, sounds good. I'm an action guy. I need action. Purple of Kawhi, Nykel Walker, Porter for the Cavs. Booker Gold, Edwards, Reddish. Giannis, Defying Gravity. I mean, like Damon is slower. Langford to 99 ticks. Like nice hit, Wags. I don't need to sit there for an hour and show that card. It's like, Wags is... He's happy and he moves on. Gafford, Siku. It's just... I want to move fast. I'm not here to, like, waste time. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love to talk about sports and whatnot, but... I just don't want to sit here and... It's like, I'm not going to sit here for 5 minutes, Romeo Langford to 99 for Wags. It's like, no. It's like, good card, we move on. And I don't think Wags wants me to talk about it. Yeah. Thanks, babe. Everyone's different. Listen, I think that, you know, S. Blez, C. Blez, Damon, Hawk, they all have unique things. They all have they all have unique things about them that they like. I think S. Blez is an amazing fundamental breaker. Like, he's a great actual breaker as far as like breaking at the right speed for the most part. I think C. Blez is like, he has like his rhythm down as well as anyone. I think Damon is amazing at the way he does it, even though he's slower. He's more passionate about, you know, everyone has their own thing. Ooh, Barrett purple for who else but Jazzy. Why stop now? Yeah, I mean, Scott's a great breaker. Taco. Reddish. Cabangeli. Kyle Guy to 99 Kings. You guys see the card? Cam Johnson. I mean, that's the thing too, right? Jamal Murray gold. The reality is, it's like, well, you know, as good as these cards are, one person gets each card. So it's like other people don't want to see me sitting here for an hour talking about a Blake Griffin gold. You know, it's like, just move on to the next card. Nykel Walker, Porter for the Cavs. Another Zion My House for Punisher. Zion! I believe it's a variation for Punisher. Like this, I'll look at for 5 seconds. And then we'll move on. What's up, Jason B? Pascal, take Mosaic Choice 42. Take your Prism Fast Break 32. Russell to 49 out of Ohio State. PJ for the Hornets. What's up, Bruce? Sony, yes. Spectra first off the line. Football. It's not, yeah, maybe it's not the variation. It was turned the other way. LJ, you know what? I want to ask you a question. Cello's going to go, yeah. LJ, let me ask you a question because you're on here a lot. You could be completely honest. Rank your order of breakers that you like of us, because you've spent a lot of time with. I'm curious, LJ. What do you think as far as? And listen, just be honest. I'm curious to see what you say. We're doing Mosaic Choice, yes. Really? And that's really, I like it. That's fun. Kendrick Nunn gold. Langford. Cody Martin. Everyone's different. Kendrick Nunn. LJ, I'm shocked by that order, though. Luca, KZ. Yeah, Punisher, 100%. KZ for the Heat to 99. Barrett for the Knicks. That might be a variation. I don't know. Noel. Lowry. Hero rookie for Ebok. Garland for the Cavs. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Taco Fall rookie auto for the Celtics and Wags. Roby. And a taco to end it. I'll do a recap. Interesting, Wags. Wags. Punisher, I know Blez is number one for you. Yeah, everyone could go. Listen. It's not personal. It's all family. It's all family. It's not like it's Damon's family. It's everyone's family. I'm gonna do a recap. I think Punisher Thunder's number one is definitely. Oh, really? Thunder loves Odie. Really? I was gonna say Thunder loves Scott too. T-Chat is. This is interesting. Everyone's great in their own way. All right, Hooks, I need your order, Hooks. I need your order now. Hooks, give me your order. Hooks, I need your order now. Damon is Damon's